Down there is the boat slips. Watch as I go to the house. I'm gonna drive back to the house. There's Table Rock Lake. There's the lake. The lake is around us. We're gonna come up here. I got FedEx in back of me. So hey, we know FedEx comes here. Yeah, FedEx wants to go real fast. So I have to speed up. So I took that road down, and look, there's the lake right there. Here's the way to the house. See the lake all the way around us, and here we are. We're coming up to the house again. So I'm gonna pull in here so that FedEx can do what they want. That house right there just sold for 450 some thousand, and here's our house. Okay, there's the lake. Let's go down this street and see what's down this one. This is the way you go to our basement thing. I'll go really slow so you can see it. There's the back of our house, Tovey's yard, driveway, the garage, down here. Yeah, I don't see why you would not be able to build a... Look, you could actually build an RV garage, a real one, an enclosed one, and maybe even enough room for something else for the Buick. I've not been in back of this road, but let's look at it. Oh, look at the neighbors. Very nice. This place is great. Look at all the nature. It takes about an hour. Oh, look. Look at the lake. Oh, you missed it. It's right down there. Right under those trees is the lake. You go here and you can see it. It's really nice. Nope, you can't see it because the trees are too thick. But this is the neighborhood. It's a very nice neighborhood. There's a street there. Let's keep going up this one and see where it goes. Some nice houses. Look at that one. Wow. All of these people have nice houses. You see that? But I like this one better. It's secluded. Oh, there's the lake. There is the lake. Look at that. Oh, this is going to be awesome. We're going to have so much fun on the boat here. All the houses around it sell within the first couple days. There. Beautiful, huh? All right.